Sunil Chhetri, the torchbearer of Indian football. Sunil Chhetri, born on August 3, 1984, is an iconic figure in Indian football. As the captain of the Indian national team and a prolific goal scorer, he has been instrumental in elevating the status of Indian football on the global stage. Often referred to as the Captain Fantastic and the Lionel Messi of India, Chhetri's contributions to the sport are unparalleled in the history of Indian football. Early life and beginnings. 1. Birth and family background. Sunil Chhetri was born in Secunderabad, Telangana, to an army officer, KB Chhetri, and Sushila Chhetri. His mother and twin sisters were former footballers for the Nepal women's national team, which influenced his early interest in the sport. Though education and early football involvement, Chhetri's schooling took place in various parts of India due to his father's army postings. His formal training in football began at the age of 17 when he joined the City Football Club in New Delhi. His talent quickly became evident, leading him to join the Indian Arrows youth setup. Professional career. 1. Early professional years. Chhetri's professional career took off when he joined Mohun Bagan in 2002. Over the next few years, he played for several clubs in the Indian football circuit, including JCT, East Bengal, and Dempo. His performances, characterized by exceptional goal-scoring abilities and leadership, made him a standout player in the I-League. Though international ventures, Chhetri's prowess caught the attention of international clubs. In 2010, he signed with Major League Soccer (MLS) club Kansas City Wizards, now Sporting Kansas City, becoming the third Indian player to play abroad. Although his stint in the MLS was brief, it was a significant milestone for Indian football. In 2012, he joined Portuguese club Sporting CPSB team, further highlighting his ambition to compete at higher levels. Despite limited opportunities, his move was seen as a breakthrough for Indian players in European football. Theme: Return to India and ISL success. Chhetri returned to India and became a pivotal figure in the Indian Super League (ISL). He played for Mumbai City FC and Bengaluru FC, with the latter becoming his long-term club. Under his captaincy, Bengaluru FC won multiple titles, including the I-League, Federation Cup, and the ISL. International career. 1. Debut and early years. Sunil Chhetri made his debut for the Indian national team in 2005 against Pakistan. He quickly established himself as a key player, scoring vital goals in various tournaments. Though milestone achievements, over the years, Chhetri has broken numerous records. He is the highest goal scorer for India, surpassing the legendary Bhaichung Bhutia. As of 2024, he is among the top international goal scorers in the world, a testament to his longevity and consistency. Theme: Notable performances. Chhetri has led India to significant victories, including the Nehru Cup 2007, 2009, 2012, and the SAFF Championship 2011, 2015. His performance in the 2018 Intercontinental Cup, where he scored crucial goals, was instrumental in India winning the tournament. 4. Leadership. As captain, Chhetri has been a beacon of inspiration for his teammates. His leadership qualities extend beyond the pitch, advocating for better infrastructure, training facilities, and support for Indian football. Playing style and skills. 1. Attributes. Chhetri is known for his exceptional positioning, clinical finishing, and ability to score from a variety of positions. His agility, speed, and tactical awareness make him a constant threat to defenses. Though versatility. While primarily a forward, Chhetri's versatility allows him to play as a winger or attacking midfielder, showcasing his adaptability and footballing intelligence. Awards and recognition. 1. Individual honors. Chhetri has received numerous awards throughout his career, including the AIFF Player of the Year award multiple times. He was also honored with the Arjuna Award in 2011 and the Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award, in 2019. Though global recognition, his standing in international football is evidenced by his ranking among the top international goal scorers, often compared to legends like Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo in terms of international goals. Impact on Indian football. 1. Inspiration for young players. Chhetri's success has inspired a generation of young footballers in India. His journey from local clubs to international arenas serves as a blueprint for aspiring footballers. Though advocacy and development, Chhetri has been vocal about the need for better facilities, youth development programs, and the professionalization of the sport in India. His advocacy has contributed to the growing popularity and development of football in the country. Personal life. 1. Family and interests. Sunil Chhetri is married to Sonam Bhattacharya, the daughter of former Indian footballer Subhrata Bhattacharya. Despite his busy schedule, Chhetri maintains a balance between his professional and personal life, often sharing his insights and experiences with his fans. Though philanthropy. Chhetri is involved in various charitable activities, using his platform to support social causes and encourage community engagement through sports. Sunil Chhetri's career is a testament to his talent, hard work, and dedication. As the face of Indian football, he has not only achieved personal milestones but also uplifted the sport's profile in India. His legacy as a player, leader, and advocate for football development ensures that he will be remembered as one of the greatest athletes in Indian history.